The Multriwell system. Generate energy by degassing your dump. In this animation, we will show you how the Multriwell system can be applied at your dump as a degassing method. Each project starts with leveling the waste. A porous overlay is then applied to the existing waste on which the Multriwell system can be installed. The first step in the installation process is laying out a grid pattern for installing the vertical Multriwells. After insertion of the Multriwell Type 5, an automatic cutter is then used to cut them off at a level just above the overlay. This is done in connection with gas released during the installation of the vertical Multriwells. Each vertical Multriwell is installed at precisely the correct position with the aid of a data logger. The positions and depths of the Multriwells Type 5 aimed for are thus ensured during installation. Seepage water will be evenly spread throughout the dump as a consequence of the regular pattern of the vertical Multriwells inserted. Any apparent water levels can be eliminated in this way. At ground level, horizontal Multriwells of type H are installed above the vertical Multriwells. These horizontal Multriwells are connected to a horizontally grooved collection pipe. The mineral sealing layer of Trisoplast is installed on top of the support layer installed above the horizontal Multriwells. The Trisoplast layer consists of sand mixed with a special combination of bentonite and polymers that bond strongly once the layer is saturated with water. An extremely flexible gas-proof and waterproof layer is created as a result. Alternatively, a liner or a combination of liner with Trisoplast can be applied. Following installation of the capping, another drainage layer is applied with underneath the final surface layer. Manifolds equipped with valves are installed at various collection points on the collector drains. These valves make it possible to regulate and ultimately seal off gas fields. The Multriwell system is connected by means of the valves to a technical room where the gas can be flared off or converted into heat or energy and can, for example, be used as fuel for an electrical generator. In the event that a generator is installed, electricity can be distributed to a range of consumers, such as residential areas or industry. The Multriwell degassing system, from waste to sustainable energy.